Good day! Welcome to Teacher Ariel TV. Today, you are going to learn about prime and composite numbers. Prime number, a number greater than 1 which can be divided exactly by 1 and itself, and it has only two factors. Example: 5. 5 is a prime number. The factors of 5 are 1 and 5. 5 can be divided exactly by itself and 1. Another: 7. 7 is a prime number. The factors of 7 are 1 and 7. 7 can be divided exactly by itself and 1. Another: 13. 13 is a prime number. The factors of 13 are 1 and 13. 13 can be divided exactly by itself and 1. How about composite number? Composite number, a number with more than two factors. Example: 4. 4 is a composite number. The factors of 4 are 1 and 4, 2 and 2. Another example: 12. 12 is a composite number. The factors of 12 are 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4. Another example: 36. 36 is a composite number. The factors of 36 are 1 and 36, 2 and 18, 3 and 12, 4 and 9, 6 and 6. Let's answer this. Complete the table. We have number 9. The factors of 9 are 1, 3, and 9. The number of factors, 3. Prime or composite number? The answer is composite. Next, 7. Factors of 7 are 1 and 7. Number of factors, we have 2. Prime or composite? The answer is prime. Next, 23. Factors of 23 are 1 and 23. The number of factors, 2. Prime or composite? Prime. Next, 31. The factors of 31, 1 and 31. Number of factors, we have 2. Prime or composite? Answer is prime. Next, 45. Factors of 45, 1, 3, 5, 9, 15, and 45. Number of factors, we have 6. Prime or composite? Composite. Next, 56. The factors of 56, we have 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 14, 28, and 56. The number of factors, we have 8. Prime or composite? Composite. Next, let's answer this. Circle the prime numbers and box the composite numbers. First, we have 5. 5 is a prime number. Next, 8. 8 is composite. Next, 12. 12 is composite. Next, 41. 41 is prime. Next, 64. 64 is a composite. 90. 90 also composite. Next, 87. 87 composite. Next, 19. It is prime. Next, 77. Composite. 43. Prime. 73. Prime. 85. Composite. 52. Composite. 31. Prime. 17. Prime. 83. Prime. 76. Composite. 30. Composite. 29. Prime. 99. Composite. Quiz time. Let's answer this. Do what each item tells you to do. You only have 5 seconds to answer. Write the smallest prime number. Start now. Time's up. The answer is 2. Next, write the smallest composite number. Time's up. The answer is 4. Write the prime number immediately after 50. Time's up. The answer is 53. Next, write the largest 2-digit prime number. Time's up. The answer is 97. Next, write the largest 2-digit composite number. Time's up. The answer is 99. Next, write all prime numbers from 4 to 15. Time's up. We have 5, 7, 11, and 13. Next, write the composite numbers between 11 to 19. Time's up. 12, 14, 15, 16, and 18. That's all for now. I hope you enjoy learning about prime and composite numbers. Thanks for watching.